Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I have just come from Lamington Road and I have got all this stuff here, and I've got pretty great electronic stuff, and this is gonna be a great experience today. And I've got many of the things from World and other things from other shops. So these are the things from the other shops, and then we have a bag full of stuff from World. Okay, that's my bill, so I just remove that out of the way. And then we have some more stuff from other shops as well. So here we go. We have some motors for my project, which is gonna be some drones. So that is great, and this is 500 mAh battery, and this is, I think, manufactured this last year in October, so it's like an year old, but that's totally fine, and it seems great, in a great condition. And these are batteries which are of 300 mAh, and these costed me around 150 rupees for each, so this was 300 rupees in total. This was one battery for 375 rupees, and these motors, I really don't know the price. And I got the propellers with them, so let's keep all this aside. Then I got these Bluetooth modules for Bluetooth speaker making, and I had this one, and that's what broke last time, so I used that for making the Bluetooth speaker which we previously made. So that is totally good. And this is actually a duplicate version, but that doesn't matter, and I got these each for 100 rupees, so that's great. This is not from World, and everything here from World. So it is not sponsored by World, and I have bought it all from my own money, and no discounts, nothing. So this is a relay module for home automation project. Then here we have SC05 module, which is a pretty great module, and I'm gonna make some locator type of things, like the tile which can locate your thing. It is a Bluetooth thing, so I'll make a video of that. So I have another SC05. Then I have the PAM8403 mini version amplifier, and this is a bit battery-fied version. It's cleaner, as you can see, if you know the ones which we usually get. It is a great design. They have remade it. Then there is also a surprise for you guys, and that the unboxing of that is gonna be in the next video, and or the previous video which I uploaded a day ago, or whatever, I don't know. And this is the 16 GB SD cards. Even this I got it from World. So then, oh, something fell down, but this is the Max something display module. So that is a pretty great one. I'm gonna make a project about this, and I even bought this from Banggood some time ago, but that doesn't matter. This one is not for that project, but some other project. I'll see what to do about this later. Then what fell down is a power boost converter. That is a pretty great one. So as you can see, the model number is MT3608. To keep that aside. Then we have the D1 Mini, the VMOS Mini ESP826X, and it is a pretty great one. I've got two of these, like I got from Banggood. No, I had got this from World itself, and for this project they get combined. So this is another one. Then we have the Node MCU. This is also an ESP8266. As you know, MCU. It is pretty great for projects, and it's well hacking. And yes, I'm saying the word hacking because you can hack Wi-Fi's around you. You can block them from using their own Wi-Fi. and I might make a tutorial onto this, but that's totally illegal. I don't suggest you doing that, so let's keep that aside. Then I have this, which is the micro HDMI to HDMI converter, and you'll understand why that is for. What that is for. So I've got a bunch of more things. Again, another Node MCU, the virus, more virus. So these are different connections. This is a female to female. This is the male to male. This is the male to female. So yeah, and then I've got some resistors and transistors. So there are 5 of the 10K resistors and 5 of the BC547 transistors. So we'll keep that aside. Even this was from Visha World, but the other shop, which is of electronics, like the components, another Node MCU. Let's keep that aside. There's soon reaching to what is a surprise. This is the audio amplifier with control for volume. So it's called the pot, what they say, POT, pot. But we'll discuss that the variable resistor, but it is. Let's keep that aside. Then we have this, another power bank or the power boost, and let's keep that aside. And now I think we are onto the final things. And after I remove this, you're gonna guess, or you're gonna get what actually is the last thing. This is a Raspberry Pi official power supply. And you know now what is gonna be the next thing. Obviously, the Raspberry Pi 4. And it is a 4GB RAM version. I'm gonna make some good videos on this one. And this is gonna be my secondary computer as well. Or my third computer. And that is what I've got here. And in the unboxing was in the last video or in the next video, which will come tomorrow. And that's it for this video, guys. And again, this video wasn't sponsored by Visha World, and I brought it from my money. And I'm just telling about Visha World because they have a great collection of components. That's it for this video. I think you enjoyed. If you like what you saw and you would like some more content about this, hit the bell notification icon and subscribe to my channel. And also like this video if you liked what you saw right now. So guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. I'll see you next time.